Are you a new or an up-and-coming YouTuber or a blogger? Or have you just developed a new business, side hustle, or a product which you believe is fantastic and is going to add value to a lot of people? But however, you are finding it difficult to reach your target audience. In this video, I'm going to share some of the tips I have learned in this journey. Hi, my name is Mabel. Hence, this channel is called Ask Auntie Mabel because on this channel, I provide answers to questions regarding budgeting, investment, side hustle, and other life issues or challenges. Today, I'm going to share 4 key tips that I have learned in this journey of being a new and upcoming YouTuber, a business creator, and more recently, a product creator. So, what are these 4 key points? The first is use key or trendy words in your title and promotion messages. 2, learn how to use special offers in a timely manner. Then 3, use effective email sequence or social media funnels. Then 4, have the right support system of like-minded people that will enable you to stay motivated because it can be very lonely and daunting sometimes. Before I discuss these 4 key tips, I will just put it in context. Those of you that have been following my channel or know me personally are aware that sometime last year, I developed an online business called the Mabel Academy. I'll put the link of the website in the description box of this video, so you can go and check it out. We actually have a very beautiful website. And more recently, I developed a budgeting tool, which many have said it is a brilliant tool. Let's go into the first point. Using unique key or trending words in your title and promotion messages. This can be very difficult. A lot of people say it and just think it might be easy for some people, but there are some of us who are old school that sometimes we find it very difficult to use these trendy words because sometimes it doesn't sit well with us. So I'll give you an example. Those of you who have clicked the button to purchase our budgeting template, notice that the thumbnail used the word ultimate with an A instead of the U, the usual spelling. And when the marketing consultant advised me to use that word, I was very skeptical. Obviously, in this journey, I have to consult a marketing consultant. I have to seek a marketing expert, the support of a marketing expert to help me in this next stage of the business development. So when he asked me to use that word, I said, oh, it's incorrect. Then he said, oh, is the alternative word now for the ultimate because of the Taruto. He gave me the history behind why I should use that word. I'll put it on the screen for you guys to read it for yourself. I reluctantly agreed to use it because he said that keywords like that, it draw people's attention to go and actually check out the product. Why are they using this word? Some people might be curious and feel it's an incorrect spelling. Actually, I've only got 2 comments back regarding that spelling. A friend that is an English teacher said, oh, this word is incorrect. And that actually started the conversation for me to tell her the reason behind that word. And I've actually gone to the social media to check that ultimate, spelled with an A, that has become a trendy word. And a lot of people some people have actually named their channel with that spelling. So that is that. Also, another friend who also is in the journey of developing her business as well also pointed it out. Besides that, other people have actually said, "Oh, wow, this and that letter there, that change in spelling actually made them to go and check out the product because it's different from any other budgeting tool." So that was the aim behind it, to see that when you spell it differently, it is also a different content in there's something new in the budgeting tool from the norm. So that's been said. Then number two, using special offer in a timely manner. As some of you are aware that attended my live stream last week, I reduced I reduced the price of the budgeting template to just £5. And this budgeting tool is actually the content. When you are those who have purchased actually realize that it's worth £40, as we said, or even more than. It's actually worth over £40, the content of that budgeting template, because it's got the um, network statement, the sinking fund, and even the bar chart and the pie chart to just show you in a glance what areas, the different areas of your budgeting, the different areas, how much you are spending, the percentage you are spending in every area of your uh, normal income and expenditure sheet. This marketing expert actually advised me to use that say to put that promotion in after a few weeks of launching my product, because there are some people who actually might want to buy that product and might feel that it's a bit too expensive for them. So when you offer that special offer in a timely manner, they are able to get it, and so you are getting to your target audience. Then number three, the effective email sequence and social media funnel. As some of you are aware, if you have ever signed up for any business or any company, you see them sending you regular updates. I know sometimes some of us get upset. The reason why I was advised that that is important, because the general norm is, or the general rule of thumb is, people have to see a particular message up to 7 times before they even take action. It's not because they don't want to, because some people might just be busy and say, I'll do it later. But when they see that reminder, that will remind them to do it at that time. And also, that's also why you offer this special offer. When you offer that special offer, those who were thinking before, oh, I'm not going to be able to buy it, they now realize they're able to buy it. Okay? So when else you see people constantly sending you emails, don't get upset, because there are people who need to see several times before they can actually take action. Then the final point is having an effective community of like-minded people around you. Trust me, those of us who are YouTubers actually realize that it can be very lonely. There are times you're just not motivated to do that video. There are times you've even done the video, you're not motivated to edit it. So also business and content creators, or business and product developers or creators. When you put that product, you put your sweat and blood into creating it. You've even paid somebody to do the product for you, to put the final touches to make sure that it's presented professionally, and you launch it and nobody is buying it. It can be very, very motivating. So you need to surround yourself with like-minded people. Like for me, I have a business club I belong to, and somebody actually hit the nail on the head and said this morning. So we have a 5 a.m. club, guys, and that has been one best thing that's happened to me recently. That I'm able to wake up early and be able to put time into my business or my life or my health and well-being and other areas. So you really need that community. So if you think you need that community, this is the right time you click on the link to the Able Mobile Academy. And first of all, look around that website, actually see what we do. We all need the community to keep us motivated and to stay motivated. I hope you have enjoyed this video to this point, and I hope you found these 4 tips that I have shared very useful. There are more to come, and more of these are the things we actually do in the Able Mabel Academy to help all of you. I know there are so many of us there who have spent decades working as either a social worker, as a nurse, as a teacher, support worker, a civil servant, or even all those high profile jobs you think, oh, GP, doctors, pharmacy, whatever job you're doing. Some of us are really getting tired of those jobs because we're not having work life balance, and we know we have a lot of skills in us that we can put to good use somewhere else. So, but we are scared of taking that leap. So, please click on the Able Mable Academy and book a free consultation. And also, let me just remind you, when you get the budgeting template, the special offer, by the way, is ending on Saturday. I'm going to try and make sure that this video is out on Friday or Saturday so that you can get your copy at the reduced price of just £5. Okay. So, and when you get that your budgeting template, you also have the opportunity to book your free consultation. So we can have a chat around what difficulty you are having in taking that leap, or trying to find ways to start putting your skills and experience and expertise into good use in other areas. So I think it's even selfish to keep them to yourself. Don't you think? So on that note, I would say thank you very much for watching this video and for listening to me. And please leave your comment, leave your views regarding this tip I've shared, and also which area you actually think you need support to move on to the next level or to start having a better work life balance. See you in my next video. Thank you.